Are you looking for an internship that pay you 14,000 per month, and after the internship it convert into full time opportunity that pay you 21 to 27 lakh per annum, and that is fact. Justpay is launch our hiring challenge 2025. So, hi Techies, welcome back to Techie Help. So, today we are here with the most exciting opportunity of this year. Hiring Challenge 2025 is here, and this is an amazing opportunity for graduating 2026 students. Okay, so this is only for a student who will graduate in 2026. Okay, if you graduate in 2027 and above, please skip this video. Okay, so further discuss all details of this hiring challenge. So basically this internship the duration of 8 to 12 month. Okay, and after the internship it convert into a full-time opportunity with just pay, and it's pay you uh, 21 to 27 lakh per annum, and that's good LPA. Okay, so without delay, let's get started and see all the details. Okay, so now let's get started. So this opportunity host on Unstop. If you don't know about Unstop, Unstop is a platform where he provide internships, job, mentorship, competition, practice, and more exciting opportunity that align your careers. Okay, so this is all in one platform. Okay, so visit and check out here. Okay, so I'll give the link in description. You come through this. Okay, so this is the official page where JustPay hiring challenge is listed on stop. So let's see, crafting a reliability building system that's never fail. Okay, so JustPay hiring challenge 2025. Okay, and it's free. Okay, now let's see the status and timelines. So demo assessment, participants are recommended to undergo a demo statement to make themselves familiar with the platform. This is not a eliminator or evaluation route. Okay, so this is means a demo, like understand the platform, how will you upload your round and give your tests. That's all. Okay, so no meaning of this demo assessments. Okay, so round 1 MCQ statement. So this will be an MCQ challenge based on systems, algorithm and data structures, and logic reasoning, physics, mathematics. If you are a register and access the test from a laptop or desktop, we will see a verify play button in the section. There will be an assessment window in which you can access the assessment anytime. Sorry, you will be notified via email regarding further details of the MCQ challenges. Here you can see the FAQs. Okay, so you can check out here. Okay, so if you select in round 1, you promote to round 2, and round 2 is basically coding challenge. So shortlisted participant from MCQ round will undergo an online coding assessment where they will be tested on their basic coding skills. Based on their test score, participants will shortlisted to proceed the next stage, and next stage is your profile verification. In this stage, the shortlisted student will be required to submit additional information for the verification process. Okay, verification is a must and will happen for shortlisted students. Okay, and the final round is interview. Okay, all top listed students coders will be scheduled to undergo our interview process, and that's all. Okay, And here you can see all the details, everything you need to know about Just Pay hiring challenge, you read out it. And the eligibility criteria: if you pursuing any BTech BE degree and you are graduating in 2026, okay, only. So this opportunity only for 2026 pass outs, okay. So the student to register individual, okay, no team required. The participants should can have a specify a specialization domain, and there is no registration on the number of participants from an institute. So, and modification of details post registration closure will be not allowed. And here is a round eligibility, round 2, round 3 details, and here is a reward, that's important. Okay, I'll zoom here. And here you can see the shortlisted candidate will be hired as an intern for 8 to 12 month and full time in office, and will be converted to full time completely on the basis of their performance, okay. And if you are selected in internship, the stipend will be provide 40,000 per month. And if you convert it into a full time offer, that will be provide 21 to 27 lakh per annum. 21 is the best salary of this hackathon, means जो भी hiring challenge है, okay. Note, it is for full time internship, no part time internship is allowed. Please do not apply if you cannot do a full time internship, okay. And here you can see the important details. Registration deadline 13th July, okay. But here you can see, okay, 13th July next month. Okay. Now here you can see PPO with CTC with 21 to 27, and everyone participated on this challenge, it's give a participant of certificates, okay. And now here you can see discussion and ask anything about this challenge and FAQs, okay. So simply click on registered and fill the details, verify your phone number first. If you not verify the number, you will be not be able to apply for these internships, okay. And now click on 2026 and click on allow button, click on next, okay. And it's take a photo, okay. Details, no, it's bad, will retake. Yes, एक second. Yeah, that's good, okay. So now click on confirm and submit. And now will be registered for this challenge, okay. And here you can see demo assessment is live, and here you can see a start button, okay. So now click on this start button and let's see what's happening, okay. So download a Smart Hire app to continue, okay. So I'm not eligible for this challenge, so I'm not applying for this because I'm graduating 2027, okay. So if you eligible, you go through this process, okay. If the video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe this video with your friends and your colleagues. And I hope you doing well in your college life and your tech journey. So thanks for watching.